Hey everyone, welcome to today's quick tutorial on how to get OneNote tabs on top 2025. If you're a OneNote user, you know how annoying it can be when tabs are stuck on the side, cluttering your workspace. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this simple process step by step, so you can customize your interface in no time. First, make sure you have the latest version of OneNote installed, as this feature is optimized for 2025 updates. It's a breeze on Windows, but I'll touch on variations for other platforms too. Let's dive in. Start by opening OneNote on your computer. Once it's launched, head to the top left corner and click on the File menu. From the drop-down, select Options. This will open a new window with all the settings. In the Options window, navigate to the Display tab. Here, you'll find various layout preferences. Look for the section labeled Notebook Pane or Tab Position. This is where the magic happens. Simply select the option that says Place Tabs at the top, or choose Top from a drop-down menu if available. After making your selection, click OK to apply the changes. Now, go back to your notebooks, and you should see the tabs moved to the top for a cleaner, more organized view. If the change doesn't take effect immediately, try closing and reopening OneNote or restart your computer for good measure. Keep in mind, if you're using OneNote on Mac or the web version, the steps might differ slightly, so check Microsoft's official support page for those specifics. This tweak can really boost your productivity, making it easier to switch between notes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.